What is the difference? State statutory law versus constitutional law. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint or rules. That's what it's like when laws clash or aren't clear within a state's legal system. Today, we're going to look at two key types of laws that shape how states govern themselves. Understanding these helps explain how state governments work and how laws are made and enforced. First, let's talk about the state constitution. This is the highest law in a state. It sets up the entire structure of the government, including the legislative, executive, and judicial branches. It also spells out the rights of the citizens, like freedom of speech and voting rights. The state constitution is like the rule book for the state. It can be changed, but it's not easy. Usually, changing it requires a special process, like a vote by the citizens or approval by the legislature. Because it's the foundation, all other laws must follow it. If a law conflicts with the state constitution, courts can declare it invalid. The Constitution applies everywhere in the state and acts as the ultimate authority. Now, let's look at statutory law. These are the laws made by the state legislature, which is the lawmaking body of the state. Think of statutes as specific rules for particular issues, like speeding laws, business regulations, or criminal codes. These laws are written down and can be changed more easily than the Constitution. The legislature can pass new statutes or update existing ones to reflect new policies or needs. But these laws must always follow the rules set out in the state constitution. If a statute conflicts with the Constitution, courts can strike it down. Statutory laws only apply within certain areas or regions of the state, depending on what they cover. The main difference is hierarchy. The state constitution is the highest law, and all statutes must follow it. The Constitution is more difficult to change, requiring special procedures. Statutory laws are more flexible and can be amended or repealed more quickly. The Constitution governs the overall structure and fundamental rights across the entire state. Statutes deal with specific issues and can vary from one region to another. Courts have the power to review laws and decide if they follow the Constitution. If they don't, they can declare the law invalid. Knowing this helps us understand how state governments create and enforce laws. The state constitution provides the legal framework, and statutes fill in the details. This relationship keeps the government functioning smoothly and ensures laws are fair and lawful. It's like having a strong foundation and detailed building plans working together to keep everything in order.